White's objective here is to kill black. The most tempting move would be this one. It's aiming to capture this black stone. But because black already has a stone here, black can start this ko, like this. Of course, white has a local ko threat at number 7, but it's still a ko, and it is not the optimal result that white can achieve. Finding the first move is not easy for white. If white tries this, then black can still play this. This will still be a ko. If white plays here, then black can play this. This eye space is really big, and this will be a bent 4 shape, and black will be alive. If white tries here, similarly, this will be a bent 4 shape. So the correct first move is actually here. It's aiming to cut. So if black ignores it, now white will be able to cut like this, and black will die this way. So black must connect here or play this move. If black plays this move, white can cut this way, and this will be a fake eye. So black must play here, and now white can play this move. It's another very good move, aiming to cut black off. So if black plays here, white can cut, and this will become a connect and die situation. Black cannot connect because white can capture. So after number 5, this black stone is cut off. That's why black will need to address this cutting point. And now white can play this throw in and throw in again, make sure that this is a fake eye, and now what's left of black's eye space is not enough to make a living shape. Therefore, after 1, 3, and 5, white succeeds. If black plays this move, white can still play this. If black connects, white can throw in here, and this will still be a fake eye. And black will still die this way. Similarly, this will be back to one of the previous variations where black is caught in a connect and die. So number 1 is the correct first move, followed by number 3 here. Not a very easy sequence to find. This is the type of problem that kind of tests our patience as players. The problems in this section will get much harder very soon, and I hope you're ready for the challenge. Good luck, and thank you for watching.